Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add text to a UI screen in Godot. We'll cover labels, fonts, alignment, and how to update text using code. This works perfectly for menus, HUDs, and dialog systems. First, create a new scene and add a main node. Then with node selected, click Add button and choose Label. Center label to the screen. Make more room for the text. In the label inspector, change text to something cool. Scroll down and find font size property, increase it up. You can align text horizontally and vertically using the horizontal alignment and vertical alignment options. This is especially useful for buttons, titles, or dialog boxes. Now press play to test. Perfect, we got the text displayed on the screen. To change text using code, attach a script to the label or the control node. Write ready function like this. This is where we put our code logic. To get reference from label, drag label directly to code editor. Then assign text property with new strings. This is perfect for scores, timers, or player health. And that's it. You now know how to add and control text in a Godot UI. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out my other Godot tutorials.